Third, an agent with a strong reputation among his peers, including other real estate professionals, lenders, contractors, attorneys, and property managers, can be a valuable asset. My connections can help you navigate the investment process more smoothly and provide access to resources that might benefit you as an investor, including experience dealing with tenants and nuances typical of investment properties. So many residential agents do not have the knowledge, patience, or are not really interested in this type of business. Fourth, an investor-focused agent should possess strong analytical skills. They should be able to evaluate potential investment properties based on factors like cash returns, cash flow and expenses, return on investment, market trends, and potential risks associated with investment properties. A realtor that can help you assess the financial viability of properties is invaluable. I can do that because I've been there and I've done that.